You'll need 4mm braided macrame cord and a wooden ring that's 5 centimeters in diameter. It needs to be braided because the cord needs to have a little bit of stretch. With a 50 centimeter length of cord folded in half, take the ends behind the hoop, bring it down through and pull it. That is the lark's head knot. Fasten your hoop, it'll make it much easier. Loosen your lark's head knot. Take the right side and you're going to wrap over once and do it another time and a third time. Now take your left side and wrap it around once and twice and a third time. Now pull and push up. Pull again and push up. And you're going to end up with something that looks like this. We'll do that again. Take the right one and wrap it around 3 times. Take the left one and wrap it around 3 times. Then pull and push up. And then pull again. You might have to wiggle them a bit and push up. And now do 6 more. Now just cut these ends and just leave a little bit showing.